1, 2,
3.
3.
Man,
I
I
don't know the
have
rocket
no
equation.
I have
fucking
no
clue.
idea.
What is it, Tensor?
Oh my god, guys.
Every word of Gunjan's is wrong.
Trevor!
Yes!
Welcome. Willkommen. Today we're going to do a special game. We're going to quiz each other on our knowledge of our own fields. So we're going to be embarrassing ourselves, seeing who knows what and who knows nothing.
So basically how this is going to work is each of us prepared 3 questions on our personal fields that the others are not experts in. We're not even experts in our own fields because you need to be studying for a lifetime. And even then, there's more to know. But basically, we're going to be seeing who has the largest breadth of knowledge out of all of us.
I think it's
me.
Alex.
We think it's Alex.
Engineering, in fact, steals from all of physics.
That's a
This
good
is
thing
true.
I'm not an engineer. Well, I'm going to ask the first question. What is the name of the inviscid form of the Navier-Stokes equations? 3, 2, 1. Oh, Hannah! It's the Euler equations.
I was like,
Yes!
Wait a minute.
no!
Show yours, Gunjan? We wrote it the same way.
Hannah, very disappointed in you.
I'm disappointed in myself.
The Navier-Stokes equations are the equations that determine fluid dynamics, or how a fluid flows. If you take away the viscous terms that are like heat conduction and whatnot, then you get a very simplified model, which are the Euler equations. Hannah, you should have known that.
Hannah, the only not real physicist amongst us.
Yes.
What are you
that's not
talking
me.
about?
Is
It's
Hannah
Alex.
a
Yes.
Fugazi?
No, he said it. He said it. I'm a real physicist.
No.
Physicist now.
Amongst the physicists, I meant. I apologize for the miscommunication.
What is a qubit?
Okay, 3, 2, 1, reveal.
Okay, man, I accept all answers. They're good. So a qubit is the quantum equivalent of a classical bit. So a classical bit is 0 and 1. A qubit is a superposition of a 0 state and a 1 state. You can make a qubit in many different ways, but that is the essence of them.
So you guys all know the rocket equation, which you all learn in first year physics, right? What is the real name of that equation? Do you know that?
Man,
don't know
I
the
have
rocket
no
equation.
I have
fucking
no
clue.
idea what it's
No
actually
fucking
called.
clue. This is a stumper, man. I feel this one's unfair
Guys,
because like,
you
is it going to be deep? Is it cool?
No, it's not deep. It was first derived by a Soviet physicist or an aerodynamicist called Tsiolkovsky. So it's called the Tsiolkovsky rocket equation.
Oh damn.
Wouldn't have got
Yeah.
that.
It's a little bit embarrassing because I checked the syllabus for the course that I'm TAing. The thing that they're doing this week is the rocket equation.
That's what happens because in India we learn from old Soviet books.
What is the average temperature of the cosmic microwave background, and on what order are the anisotropies? 3, 2, 1.
Oh shit. Trevor thought yes. That's correct. Order
So I
of
don't-
Gunjan's peak.
Gunjan's, is that 3.5 Kelvin?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna have to reject that because that's too far away. I'm gonna accept
Okay.
Trevor's approximation.
So I was wrong when I said very hot. Trevor hot.
Yes.
Yeah.
Was I correct in that it's
Oh,
order
shit.
of Gunjan's PP size?
Yeah, that's my
Yeah,
size.
that's correct.
10 to the
Yes.
minus 5.
I got 0.5 marks. So since you guys definitely watched my weak solutions video, you should have no problem answering this question.
Oh.
Please, I would like you to write the weak form of the following.
Oh, fuck my life. Just fuck
No.
my life. What the fuck? Fuck you.
Please write the
Like-
weak form
Oh.
of the
Please
following
don't.
simple ODE. 3,
Proceed.
2, 1, go.
I have no answer,
Actually,
so I'm
one-
not going to. Yeah, that's exactly
second.
what I wrote.
Oh my god, guys. Trevor? Trevor? Trevor!
Yes.
Yeah! Trevor nailed it! For people who haven't seen my video, Hannah, Gunjan,
I have seen
I
your video
watched it though.
multiple
I just
times.
didn't.
I just forgot it because like, okay, so
Yeah.
you have to multiply.
the easiest way to remember what a weak form is you just integrate by a test function and do integration by parts, and the boundary terms cancel. That's it. Watch my video for a full explanation. You guys should watch it again. Tisk, tisk.
Trevor, hit us with a question.
I
Hit me.
got hit you. Hit you. Okay.
Hey, 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 hit me, hit me. Oh, hit me again. Hit me.
my
Okay.
word.
Okay, here we go. What is a tensor?
What is a tensor?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Part B, why are they used in physics? So what is
Yes.
a tensor and why is it used in physics?
3, 2, 1, go. A tensor with upper indices n like p1 to pn and lower indices q1 to qm is a multilinear map T such that it goes from the dual of the vector spaces p copies times the vector space q copies. It's a function that goes from all these crosses to the real numbers.
Or complex.
Also this is called a multidimensional array. An array of array and of array of array of arrays is a tensor as well.
How dare you have such a loose definition?
Every word of your answer was wrong.
Thank you. A very physicist answer is a tensor is a quantity that transforms like a tensor. Hannah, please tell us what a tensor is.
I just said that a tensor is a multi-dimensional linear map,
Okay.
but I didn't give a very precise definition.
Now I need to see Alex's.
Well,
Reveal, please.
my definition was
Or you-
extremely rigorous, okay? I said it's like a matrix, but it has more indices, arbitrary number of indices.
Okay, I think Alex Bursick, every word of it is correct. Every word of Gunjan's is wrong. Hannah's is just like I can't even comment on it, and it's just yeah. So we'll say Alex wins this round. Just joking. It's the complete inverse. I think Hannah and Gunjan take this one.
Can I please correct my answer to say covariant instead of contrapositive? I used
Yes.
the wrong word. Please forgive me.
Yes, that's
oh
fine.
my.
Okay. Yeah.
Just an engineer over here, guys. I'm sweating. I got it so wrong.
Oh my
I'm-
God, he's
Just
taking his
take it
clothes
off.
off now.
Just take it off. Just take it off.
Okay, Gunjan, hit us with part B.
I think the answer to this is, of course, philosophical, but the simplest answer is that tensors kind of transform from one frame to another frame in a way that preserves the form of the equations. So the equations of physics kind of remain invariant, and that is why we use tensors.
I said they are used in GR because tensors or tensor equations are invariant under coordinate transformations,
There you go.
meaning the laws of physics are the same in every reference frame.
Yep, that's right.
Alex,
Hannah's
would
is
you
right
write
too.
with your contrapositive?
I said that you can do cool things with them, like use covariance and contravariance.
My question is, why do we need quantum field theory in physics?
I do not have a good answer for this. I abstain.
Dirac describes particles,
So-
relativistic particles. QFT describes quantized relativistic fields, is my guess.
I said that you need QFT for high energy phenomena.
Yeah, all of these are fine answers, I would say. What is just simple answer is that Dirac equation does not satisfy causality. So like two things which are interacting can interact faster than the speed of light. For example, two electrons, and so that's why we need a different explanation using fields. But I accept both your answers, and that's completely fine. Alex, you should have tried. It was
Take more clothes off, Bursick. You lost again.
Write down the expression for the estimate of a power spectrum of a 3D map T of X.
This is so far outside my field. Oh my God. This is so not my area.
3, 2, 1.
Holy shit.
that's what I wrote.
I have no fucking idea.
So,
Okay.
yes, everyone got that you have to transform the map into Fourier space, which is great. I will give everyone half a point, but it's in fact the absolute value squared of the Fourier transform of the map divided by the volume of your survey or the volume of the universe or whatever. A power spectrum tells you on what scales, they can be physical scales or time scales, you have signals. But it tells you what Fourier modes the signals are coming from and how much
They have
how
the
that,
highest power, right?
that
It
have
just-
the
it
highest
ju-
power.
But could not write it down for the life of me.
This question, Trevor should absolutely get right because I would be shocked if Trevor does not get this right.
No
yourself.
pressure, no pressure,
Like
no
I-
pressure.
Discontinuous Galerkin is a form of A, finite difference, B, finite element, C, finite volume.
I think I know the answer to this.
3, 2, 1.
Finite
Volume.
volume.
Finite element method.
So Hannah
What?
said volume, Gunjan said volume,
Yes.
and Trevor says
Fam.
the reason that Trevor knows
know.
what this is because he built
Sure.
a solver, a finite element discontinuous Galerkin solver, to solve the Einstein field equations. So Galerkin is just a method of doing finite element, which is a method of solving PDEs on a computer. And discontinuous Galerkin is a special subset of that when you're working with fluxes that are discontinuous across your cell boundaries.
Why can you develop shocks in hydrodynamics, but the Einstein field equations, when you solve them, there are no shocks?
My guess is that it's a wave. It has wave-like solutions and with sufficient dissipative terms, such that the shocks are smoothed out.
Okay, you guys? All right,
Well-
you and Hannah and Gunjan?
My guess is that the characteristic speed in hydrodynamics is usually the speed of sound. And once you have the speed of sound, things which moves faster than the speed of sound usually produce a shock. And in the characteristic speed in like Einstein's theory is the speed of light, and nothing moves faster than the speed of light. And hence you don't have shocks in Einstein's equations.
This is it.
But I
Totally
thought
makes
this
sense.
question is beautiful.
Yeah, that's
Man,
a
Yeah,
great-
that is a
100%.
really good question.
Great
I have
question.
never heard this question, Trevor. I'm not
Okay,
gonna
to
lie to you.
rephrase it though, is the for hydrodynamics, it's the speed of sound, which changes from medium to medium. But for Einstein field equations, there's always the speed of light, and so there's no discontinuities. It's just always the speed of light.
Perfect.
Damn, that's a really good question, a really good answer, and I feel really dumb. What is a cosmic string?
No idea about the answer to this, Hannah.
I have
so-
no idea what a cosmic string is.
1D tear in space time, like a string tear in space time, we'll say. I'm not sure.
Okay, I'm gonna give Trevor a point
Nice.
because it was the closest. A cosmic string, in fact, is a one-dimensional topological defect, which is the result, just like any other topological defect in like a material, is the result of a symmetry breaking phase transition.
What
Okay.
is the galaxy that is nearest to our own? Bonus points for the distance.
The floating point precision.
3, 2, 1, go.
Andromeda.
Andromeda.
What is the distance, guys?
I think it's 700 kiloparsecs away.
I think the answer is 8 light years, honestly. I think that's how far
8
it is.
light years? Are you? Wow.
There's
it's
no,
very, What?
there's absolutely
light
no
years?
way.
buddy. The closest star is 4 light
It's
years. away.
770 kiloparsecs.
Just walk out of the room, Hannah.
8 light years? I would be scared for my life.
They'd
Oh
be
shit,
eating
shit.
us.
I made a big mistake.
The
Very
biggest
different.
mistake of your life.
All right, so here are our final scores. Here are everyone's scores.
Glad I took that win from you guys.
I'm glad I crushed you guys.
I won, and it was a great time. Cute questions, guys. Cute questions, but they just blew past Versic, and
I
not
won.
me.
So there we have it, everyone. Some of us did well, some of us did not so well, but we all had great fun learning things that, you know, we should have known, or refreshing on things that we should have known. If there is anything else you want us to be tested on, leave it in the comments down below. We would love for you all to test us.
Love you all.
Love you.
Join our Discord. Too dumb for this. Yeah, I wish you guys were drinking, because like I am.
Buzz Aldrin was the first human to ever pee on the moon. I love that.
What about that monkey they sent up?